My name is Ritesh and today our topic is Warrior 2, also known as Veerabhadrasana 2. Friends, it's a beginner level standing pose and it's once again a good hip opener compared to Warrior 1. Warrior 2 is a more intense and a wonderful hip opener. Friends, before you get into the practice, safety first. So in fact, if you have any recent or chronic injury to the hips, knee or shoulders, just avoid it. So listen to your body when you practice. Your body gives a lot of messages when you actually get into the practice. So before getting into the practice, you need to prepare yourself by doing a triangle pose, a tree pose, that is Vrikshasana, a triangle pose is Trikonasana, and a reclining hand to big toe pose is Supta Padangoshasana. Friends, these are some of the postures that you need to create a little bit of warm up when you want to get into a Warrior 2 position. And friend, this Warrior 2 position falls into a external rotated femur. As I told you in Warrior 1, this is external rotation of the femur. This is internal rotation of the femur. So any asanas that the legs go wide apart, it's known as external rotation of the femur. So friends, let's get into the pose. So before we start, as I told you, we have different variations to get into a Warrior 2. Suppose if you are doing a Vinyasa flow, it starts in a downward facing dog, and if you are planning just the asanas separately, so once again, different variations. So from here, tall yourself, keep your neck long, and either jump or just take the legs wide apart. Now the distance of the leg would depend upon your height and what extent you feel some stretch in your inner thighs. So just try to observe and test yourself. Okay, this is comfortable. I can feel the stretch. My legs are working. Now don't take it too much wide where the strain starts coming on the back, sacrum, and you don't get a great foundation. So we need the outer edges of the feet also to be active. So that's my position. Now from here, what I need is my heel in line with my arches. So if I take my heel, so I take the right foot exactly to a 90-degree angle. Now if you see, my heel is in line with my heel. I take the back feet to a 45-degree angle. Now from here, the right feet goes 15 degrees in and the heel goes 15 degrees in. So the whole criteria is that my heel should be in line with my arches. So the front right feet should be in line with my left arch. So now from here, once again, I check that my body is not going this way or this way, okay? And once again, the fundamentals are same. My knee is in line with my ankle and my knee is in line with my second toe. And most over here, from here, people who find that the hip flexors are weak, their knee tends to go towards the big toe. In that case, please shorten the distance, okay? And try to work on your groin, fine? So once again, tall yourself, lengthen the spine and observe your breathing. So inhale and exhale. Now from here, you can straighten the arms, keep the shoulders down and observe your breathing. So nice symmetry when you do this posture. And keep the neck long, keep the shoulders down. We don't need the shoulders lifting up like that. We need the shoulders down and check the positioning of the feet. If you want to deepen the stretch, take the leg more back, take it in more front, and you can still deepen the stretch. So friend, it depends upon person to person. So holding it there, maintaining that pose, and don't forget to breathe. Inhale and exhale. So might be 5 to 8 breaths are good enough. And come back, keep the hands on the hip, release it, turn the feet in, and that's your pose of Warrior 2. So friends, just be careful when you do Warrior 2, the knee and ankle is in one line, the knee and second toe is in one line. At the same time, don't make the legs too wider, would be difficult to balance. Friends, don't forget to practice this posture. It's a great hip opener. Friends, it strengthens your ankles and legs. It opens your hip flexors and chest and stretches the arms and legs. So when you are really widening it out, you're stretching your arms and legs. At the same time, it develops concentration and roundness. It improves once again blood circulation and it energizes the whole body. So friends, this is Ritesh here. In case you like my video, don't forget to hit the like button, and yes, do subscribe. And when you practice and you find any difficulty, do share your suggestions and mention in the comment section below. Namaste.